Yo, what it do? We are going in right now. I'm working on this song, and there's a lot of different sine bass dark wubs that I want to show you guys and give out to you guys too, because this is just sounding cool. Sub bass, pitch bending, it's just a fun time. Let's go ahead and listen to it first. Okay, look at this wub first. These are the call bass wubs. We got this one too. Got the sub. You know, all these are just like sine waves, you know, and that's kind of the goal. It's pretty simple to get some nice heavy wubs just by using sine waves and a couple different tricks. So we'll get into this. It's the main patch. This is all the automation down here. It's changing and opening up sometimes with the filter. Listen here. So it's like dynamic moving throughout the track. And then we have its brother, the long one. So it's kind of like a background atmospheric bass, but essentially the patch was used to make both of these. So this long bass is kind of the first one I made. And then it followed by the faster one. Cool. So let's go ahead and make these. Remember, in my Patreon, you can get all these presets and projects as well. Lots of really good things. There's a new tier, exclusive videos as well. So if you want that in the description, you can check it out. Otherwise, follow along so you can make these wubs. In the build, we're kind of teasing it, so it's washed out here. And then when it drops, it fully opens. So there is a couple different effects on here. Not much though. This hybrid reverb, saturator. Saturator is doing a lot. It's at 12 dB, 100%. It's really cranked up. And we start with a sub sine wave. Oscillator A is a sine wave. Oscillator B is a sine wave. Just change the wavetable position to 2 on both. Turn the levels all the way down on both of them. And go to LFO1 and create this shape. It's on 1/8 triplet right now, but we're using kind of all of them. To get your knob ready for automation, make sure you click configure over here. Click on the knob, and then it's going to pop up right here. Then we can automate this triangle in the song and get different speeds. And that's what I'm doing here. This is what you see up here. So I'm switching between 1/8 T, 1/4 T, and 1/4, and just vibing the speed, vibing out. If we turn off all these effects, we're going to start super basic, just with a sine wave and a sub. Add the LFO1 to both of these levels and turn them up to 72 and 66%. Then turn on PD from B because we want to bring an oscillator B into oscillator A. So we're going to use PD from B to do that. It's turned up 43%. Right now, it's very quiet. It's just sub. We're going to turn on oscillator B, turn the level all the way down. And we start to get sound because PD from B is turned up 43 and sync is also on at 1.60. That's regular. And then we have 1.60. So it's a sine wave kind of change, and you can see up here what it looks like when we turn up to sync. We're going to turn on the filter one because we don't want all those frequencies. We want it to be cleaner. So we turn on MG Low 12, filter 1, default, and then turn on A, B, and C because we want them all to be affected. Now we got a cleaner wub starting to develop. Cutoff's at 18, and we add the LFO on it. It goes up 37%. We're carving out frequencies. Turn on oscillator C, you can see we got a lot more to work with here. You can change this wavetable, choose anything, but we are just adding extra harmonics here. You're making it thicker. We turn the level all the way down, add the LFO1 to that level, and go up 42. The wavetable position is also moving, so we add the LFO to it. It goes up all the way. This is making it move up here. Diode 1 is turned on as well, so that's before and after. This is a distortion warp mode, so it's powerful. Go to the compressor, turn it on, 17.8 gain and 11.7, negative 11.7 threshold. This convolver goes on, the mix is at 61 and we're on growlish. Lots of new metallic tones. So cool. We're gonna get this saturated, so we have the saturator 12 dB. We had another reverb, a hybrid reverb at 20% on plates, plate A2, and the decay is 591 milliseconds. Oh, on convolution, of course. That reverb's doing huge work. Now listen in the mix with the sub. Now you see the EQ8 here, it should be usually cut like this. We already have an EQ8 on the mids group, so that's why it sounds good with the sub, but you can cut this here. Nice. That wub, that same patch, you can duplicate it and make this patch with it. You can change the wavetable to Monster 3, and we'll make a long version of that bass. Keep in mind, the notes we're playing is C0 the whole time. We're in octave 0 playing, D0 for our note. This is the variation that's long. We changed the rate to 2 bars, so it's real long, and the cutoff appears opening more, so it's going up to 53%, so more high frequencies are playing. You can easily move this knob and change the LFO amount to get lots of different basses quickly by how open or closed it is. This is 53. Check out 17. And then 30. So lots of different basses you can get just with the cutoff knob. Diode 1, wavetable positions on 78, Monster 3, levels all the way down, LFO is going up 48%, and we have this shape here. But essentially it's the same patch. This is playing in the background with the wub. I turned it down more so that it can blend in too. Those are the main response basses. Those are the beef and potatoes, but now we have, you know, the Coca-Cola, which is these calls. Goes call, then response. We have this one too. So these are cool. Once again, more sine waves using the same patch basically here, but we're making a different wub. Check out these two shapes here. It's in 1/2 rate. We have no reverb this time, no hybrid reverb, but we do have the saturator. It's a lot drier than the other one. Now this one, you can hear it has more harmonics in it. The cutoff knob has changed. Cutoff's at 60 Hertz, it's going up to 37, allowing more high frequencies to play. So I could just make easy variations just by changing that cutoff knob like I showed you earlier and changing the wavetables too. Even turning up diode 1. Lots of different variations. Couple different knobs, very simple wavetables. It's kind of the goal here. You don't want to spend too much time sound designing. You just want to have some fun. You can go back, fix the patch later. That's definitely goal. This sub is pitch bending a lot. That's really cool. This is just simple sine wave. No effects on it. Bar rate. We're adding saturation, erosion. I'm turning it down a little with the utility. This is the one that comes in the second drop. different octaves, different wavetables. You'll see that's kind of the theme here. We can just use the same patch multiple different ways and change the knobs like the warp modes, PD from B, sync, diode, wavetables, and octaves. Also remember the cutoff is important. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You know what it is. Working on so much music. 10,000 subscribers has been hit, and we have so many huge things planned. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for your support. I will see you guys soon. Peace.